This is this is the average schedule of a mint monkey. First, you wake up, you go down here. Hey, wave to your local neighbor. And then you get your nice hot cocoa or coffee, whatever you prefer. And then you go, you make it, you drink it.
You can just add it to cart and then you can try it on over there and you can have a license right over there.
And next, you contemplate on whether you should make a video or not.
It's over here.
And then right after that, you go straight to the parkour to do your daily parkour. This is how to become a mint monkey. You go ahead and complete the parkour. Yeah, first try. And next, you go to forest, and you complete your 2 favorite routes. So the first route, So the first route is right here. All right.
Dora coming in her tree house. Dora, here's Dora.
We're not supposed to do it right here. Let me retry that. You get 1 free retry.
Oh no! I touched the pixel of you. I could tell because
2 free
I don't know,
retries.
but I could just tell that I touched the little pixel of you.
Oh, there was a tag rasher guess. This is a tag rasher guess.
I don't want any. What? Did we get thin cross?
Then you go up here
Oh, what? Do we get?
and you land here. That is the first route, and the second route is here.
Mama, did we get
You go, you walk up here.
No,
As soon as this starts,
I touched him. Taco.
We should get half game
so you walk up the slide, then you
I think this is fifth.
scale up this tree halfway. You fall back down. You go up here, and you do it again. Scale halfway up the tree, and then you fall down, and then you do it again. You scale halfway up the tree, then you parkour into this, and then you make it onto the bridge. Start it over here, and then land over here. And now it's time to play around. Is the average day of a mint monkey? Where's the lava monkey?
Oh shit.
Is he invisible?
What the?
Damn, is he invisible?
He's copying me, but I don't copy him. Hey, Melody. I'm back.
Man, no one's gonna copy my nephew.
No, there was a lava person upstairs.
Oh!
Come here. I'm not getting tagged. Come here, Mr. Red.
Yes, you are, buddy.
Mr.
I don't want to get tagged, Daddy. I'm coming back for the milk. I want to come back for the milk. Please, don't let me get cuckoo caca on me.
Okay, Mr. Red.
How did I miss that?
Thank you one more time.
Don't let me get tagged. Don't let me get tagged. What?
Yo, how is this guy still alive?
What kind of day?
Alright, and now you go up to heaven.
What are you talking about? Okay, well,
Just see.
I was right there.
I touched you.
You go up to Ohio heaven. You go up to Ohio heaven. Go to the first person that you can see. That has a really high-pitched voice.
There's people on here, but they don't want to.
There.
Try everyone.
You bonk him on the forehead.
Is your high? Is your high? Alright, we're high.
Mr. Beast, I'm sorry. What did I do? Hold on, I'm trying.
You didn't give me 1,000 million Robux.
Robux. I love my Robux. Ugh. Yeah, you bonk him on the forehead. And then you go tag. You go on a tagging spree.
No Robux.
Dude, you don't have to go on the tagging spree. That part is optional. You go down to city from Ohio Heaven. And then you change the mode, the paint, or you go.
Follow me. Follow me if you want to play mini games. I got a code with people in it.
And then you follow a mini games kid.
Over here, if you
Hey.
want to play mini games, I got a code with mini games people in it.
What's the code?
The code's over here. Follow me. The code's 0000. Got it? 000.
Now you join their code, and it has to be. It can't be a band code. And then go back. Change this mode to. You keep the code in there, by the way. Change the mode to paintball. Go back.
Where'd he go?
You find a fake ghost,
How do you get that? How do you get that?
and then you go to mountains. Play 2 rounds. The one where you're tagged not included.
Getting closer, so it's gonna be easier for you to shoot.
This better end soon. Can you guys end this?
Oh my god! We're trying to, but this guy doesn't want it.
We'll end it faster.
Almost got
Just end it better. There.
GG, guys.
What do you mean a JT? You didn't even get him.
I got you twice, bro. What do you mean?
I got him. What are you talking
He said GG because he's not toxic.
Accuracy, kid.
Sorry, bro.
What is that?
I got you one time and you got me 0 times. What are you talking
I got
You
you
shouldn't be
twice.
talking
I got you
about
twice.
Nah, this man's capping right now.
I literally shot you twice. Oh my god. I literally your own teammates can vouch for me.
Hey, why do I have 2 balloons then, dingus?
Bro, come here.
Not this one. I think I'm throwing your
Come here,
outside.
Daisy.
Like me.
Fake Daisy.
You're not gonna survive. Oh my god.
Get over here. Come here, Daisy 09. Bro, what are you?
I think there's a monster in my house.
Bro, you're gonna have me down, bro.
And then I started to move.
No, stop slowing me.
There's people. Hey, elbow.
Oh my gosh, you're a child.
Oh crap.
Oh crap.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Are you a child?
Bye bye.
Where's the child going?
Bro, stop.
Brick.
Can you do this?
Bro, stop. Bro, what are these? POV baby and gorilla tag? Legitimate baby? Even though the Oculus is made for 13 plus? A legitimate baby? You go down the side on the second round. As soon as it starts, you run over to the side. But you go really slow. Or you try to stop yourself. Try to go slow as possible.
That's the guy who's losing.
As soon as you reach this turn,
Yeah, that means I actually don't play this game, unlike you.
then you go over here and wait. You do this.
So close, man. I was so... Oh my god.
You suck.
Yes, sir.
Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Get over here.
No.
Why are you believing that you suck? Where did I get out?
You better get ready. Anybody that's camping that will get obliterated.
It's ugly. Bro, imagine using a...
Are you trying to hit me with a snowball? Oh, snowball?
Yo.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, nobody's camping that. Try to stop yourself. Try to go super slow over here. Alright, you played your 2 rounds.
Bro, fist bump, bro. Come here, man.
Now,
Oh, yeah, bro. I'm gonna have to kill you now. That's okay.
you go.
I'm gonna get a
You
snowball kill. I gotta get a
go.
snowball.
And watch.
I'm gonna slow you down this entire round.
Oh! I'm stuck. Did he leave? I had a star balloon. Foldable. Hold on. Wait. I had the star balloon.
Alright.
Did you buy it?
And next,
I
grab
had
your
it for a
umbrella.
while now.
Oh. Then it should be in your holdables.
Yeah.
Somewhere. But wait, what if I go select it and then will it say?
Your mom off. Yeah.
Yeah.
you put your umbrella through here.
Already owned?
No.
And then
He wants the blue room.
you walk over to the info sign.
Bro,
Where did it go?
Is it
You
in
read
your
this.
foldables?
Is it in
Okay,
daggers?
yeah, you read that.
No, it's in holdables. 'Cause I
And
have a
next,
balloon, and I click on
you go play mini
holdables
games
because I don't really have
with a mini games kid.
holdables.
What? They're all gone. Oh yeah, part of it. That's part of it. Then you go over to canyons.
Do that, okay?
Yeah. No, not for the pro KKK.
Why not can you? You wanna play
Also, guys,
you wanna play
every time you hop on VR, go to code MintMonkVR. Okay?
The code is
I might be there.
Oh, I messed that up so bad.
All right. Go on the target,
no.
and you say, "Sing with me, sing for the year." Okay. No, you redo that. Sorry. And then you land on that plank. You have to land on that plank. You absolutely have to. Then you come back up here, and you say, "Sing with me, sing for the year, sing for the."